United Arab Emirates, their whole economy, in fact, they have Dubai and UAE because they have other states like Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, they only have Dubai and is built on tourism. And Emirates, everywhere you look, so I could Dubai there, you can see the impact of if I say Emirates airline in the economy of Oman. Yes, way. You see, the Ghana Airways now, or Saji for Mudija, and crying to me, I'm home by you. Ya say Guno. Under President Kufuor, we made attempt to say a best like a company in view, and yes, a Ghana International Airline. Ya disika shemu, ya disika ni a good company, no. Ni a country man so kosi a International Court of Justice. Besi ne ya Guno. Say Uba Ghana, all the big airlines, Delta ni KLM. Lufthansa for including Nanuya United America United South Africa 4 years or Mumba Washington near Debium and our video almost started here. Missy United Airline I know na bar Miss Nancy at United Airline move from Accra to DC a bomb plane in my ma emuno baby a plane in my ma. You see the wickedness. So send chroma catcher say so osajefo Onyankopon nipa no ode ne ma ye ne ka che said the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Then it begs the question, say be a black man for na osajefo kan enya Ghana black man no. Maybe he was referring to another black man because as far as the black man here friend Ghana Nino is concerned ye de bibia ye dija ye bia ye dwiregu and he say na dwe money na ye anya ye leaders no ko ye Ghana for no nyina from the bottom to the top ye wa dwe money and ka ye den na Ghana ni obi si o ye business ye de ye nyina say be pulling it down. Obisi okoya asogli ye pulling it down. Obisi okoya Ashanti airline ye pulling it. Aji money a broad wickedness. Obia ebema no got a crack contract to crop so okoji sika no di wickedness. The wickedness of the black man or the Osaje Fokan said the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. What he meant is that the black man is capable of aji money. The black man is capable of wickedness. And they free Marcosi leaders. Because in Kahwe leaders, one West Africa. The resources of Africa mudu no agu West Africa. Osha Africa sikanie japade onyankopon de ma ye no emudu no egu West Africa. And so West Africa so no hia dodo na wo between Ghana and Nigeria and these two countries can take over even the entire Africa. Ye na nke be create jobs among for oil like will be diamond bauxite. Now the Dr. Solomon Usu wa ha ye be even mining kwa sika Ghana ye nya e wo mines mu. Sika Ghana ye nyao ewo mindsim enso ye gi e-levy. That is why me media me say me situation abrofo no umeye bone a I am more than happy to say that yes I had a position and I've changed my mind. I supported e-levy from day one because me use motorway na me hu se bebre ntua omuntua na me am na motorway so 4 times a day 8 times a day no ma tua 1 city. So I thought that e-levy is a better example you bet they actually be a bem when you pompo ye call na pa me achiwachim ubetua. But I have changed my position on e-levy because ohwe sika ye nya no wo mines mu pa yes na gi e-levy a sebi ebru sebi predua se Nkwasiasem na no me statistics bi che state enterprises organizations e wo Ghana ye boka 2020 nkwa ye boka over 5 billion e-levy nkwa ama ye sika about enupo ye 7.5 say 1.5 you benya 7 billion every year. But you know 1% we are getting about a buying person generating about 5 billion a year. Meanwhile, sika eko wasting kwa bro 5 billion. Kojebra abayin si chinchan. Inti abayin nya odeng. Sika eko wasting kwa o bro 5 billion. E-levy no so o pesa ojeno. Bema less than 5 billion in a year. Koji sika ne bra o si debi.
What that one abayin praba. Ana maja mahama ye den konya sa project no. Mahama ye den konya sa project no. Eti na for mumma ye din na ho.
Yes.
Okay, mami ma one example.
Métier.
Je before you say from Accra to Kumasi. Yen dualization. It is often Accra to Kumasi say ye double road. Send ye abrochire mu highway tie no. Wo kwa unshiaka. Wo ba unshiaka. Wo start here. Achimota to Ofanko. Eti wodru Ofanko honomo no ade edudru so elections.
Yeah.
But wofa in Sawam, Ediko Apeda Junction. They are ya kwakodru baby, akakakra near Drew Suhum. And this is for Bayano. From what jar to Honum 8 years. Omanye. Aya in Coco bypass on the jail for 40 million.
Yeah.
8 years. No. And no more serious some be ya and can never know what I say. And got to Kumaseno. And can you do and got Sabre and can I get double no aquacosi Kumasi that. 8 years. Omanye. Obia no fuck Kumasi quality piano. And who say, just a wukwa na would transfer one mukoka crabby. Now would see rough road nuswa. Hey, every month, now my voice is almost shocks. Any other. And ye get the sana. Wamudu kota gu one way sukakra egokosisu. Waman taki road na minu wukase. Yeba ye amwakwata da Roma. Wayama say no. The other side no ye pie ama just a casting am so. I take it to a binete say a honomono ye view of that. Until this year, Yankupo Yadumwa, ye best start it, ye bet waso. By close of next year, 2023, no. Let's just say, would you too free in Candia to Kumaseno? And Yadia would be a bishia.
Yes.
Straight. Time your magwejinano. A yana amount for Kai. What them say at a mess by a began term, the gang of 4. Sakwana yeno. Was it at the
value the government a year fusion.
Yeah.
Nti eno na actual say there's an agenda setting because look, NDC they don't have any good thing. Omu ni bibi papa bi ama o man Ghana. So what you say?
Matthias.
Nka Mahama nko wo bibi papa nko wa ye ache
Long time.
so what you say?
Matthias.
But eye onu any Ghana for aye den asem. So what you say?
Matthias.
Eye onu any Ghana for asem. So what you say? The MPP for the year ya said ye say yanka ehumbom na ye ade de ebe fe ebe ma Ghana for hu say anokre mo ayade ade de yenye bida no ye di be ma mo eno ne say obi aba 8 years na okọ na we ba 8 years ye be ma mo another 8 years and I say ye di 4 years e come ho
Ebe kan.
so what I say
Yes.
achi afrifa da be na obam nti me ya sam nyina 88 nti dede amu